Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you my 8-step process to keeping the garden bug-free. So here's a clip from the show. Alright, so here's my 8-step process to keeping the bugs under control that I do every week to monitor the plants for any problems that they might have. So once you get used to observing and seeing what is normal, when something out of the norm shows up, you're going to know it. So the first and ongoing thing that you must do to keep your garden free of trouble is to look for clues. You know, get used to looking at your plants every day. You know how you can look at a person that you know and tell if they are getting sick? If you spend enough time observing your plants, you will find that you can detect a problem in the very beginning before it gets out of hand. Here's my 8-step guide that I do every week to keep the pest population low. Alright, number 1, check the forecast and cover the plants with appropriate covers if necessary. A frost can weaken the plant and set it up for a pest attack. Number 2, are all the plants still there? Sometimes the plants will get eaten clear off and there will be little holes in your plant rows. Then it's time to start looking for the pest. Number 3, look at the leaves and stems. Are they shiny, wilty, curly? Are they off color, holey, sticky, or moldy? And you want to look on the undersides of the leaves because this is where the most bugs will hide. You know, step back and look at the plant as a whole to see if it still has its vitality. Alright, number 4, take a look at your soil. Does it smell fresh? Is it too dry, too wet? Has anything been digging in it? Are there weeds coming up? Do you have the appropriate amount of mulch? Alright, number 5, make notes in a garden journal as to what you are seeing. If you are looking every day, you will start to notice when things are not going quite right. Alright, number 6, look back in your journal to see if this spot in the garden or this particular plant has had this look before. Also notice the time of year you might be seeing something. So in our greenhouses, we'll see spider mites in June when the weather turns hot and dry, and we see aphids in the spring as soon as the greenhouses warm up. You want to keep a journal every year so you can start to track these yearly hatches so you can catch them before they take over the whole building. Number 7, identify the problem. If you see something that's not quite right, it's time to identify what's going on. Usually a problem will fit into 3 categories: environmental, disease, or pest. So if you can't figure it out, try an internet search or contact your county extension office to identify what is going wrong. You can also ask a neighbor gardener because they may know, and you might also go out at night with a flashlight to see if you can find any bugs that may be eating your plants. Going out at night with a flashlight can really shed some light on the subject. Plus, the garden looks like a whole different world in the dark. It's fun to check it out at night. Now remember, lots of bugs come out at night to eat your garden. Alright, number 8 is to create a plan to get rid of the problem. If you have a problem that is too bad or could spread to other plants, then go ahead and remove the infected plant. So the key here is to be observant. Look at the plants every day so you can tell what is out of the normal. Then if something is not right, go ahead and put on your detective hat and figure out what is causing the plant to look off. Early detection is the key to controlling the problem. So identify the problem, then create a plan to correct the problem. Remember, there are successful organic gardeners in every climate, so there's no need for chemicals anywhere. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show, Year 8, Week 12. Now, if you'd like to watch the whole High Performance Garden Show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. For those of you that don't know what the High Performance Garden Show is, this is your gateway to learning how to create those amazing gardens that you wish you had. We'll show you how to create an easy, fun, productive, and organic garden. We follow a high-performance garden for 33 weeks from the seed to putting it to bed at the end of the season. This tiny 128 square foot garden produces over 800 pounds of food worth over $2,500 in one season with only a 15-minute a day commitment, and all the weeds from this garden fit into 1 pint jar. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show to sign up or click on the link below. So please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of the high-performance garden nuggets. This is all for today. Thank you for joining me, and may your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.